Hi, this is Sarah with Handmade, and today I will be making refrigerated pickled peppers. Alright, so our pepper harvest this year hasn't been overabundant. We have received more peppers than we can eat, but we're not receiving large amounts to do large amounts of water bath canning. So today I'm going to make a single jar of pickled peppers, and after I put them in the jar and mix them all together, they'll sit in the fridge for 24 hours. Then they are ready to go, and they last in the fridge for up to 6 months. So what I'll do first, I will put in, this is 3 cloves of crushed garlic. And then I have a mix of peppers. I have some jalapenos that are going soft, some Cajun bell peppers, some cayenne peppers, and then some peppers that were labeled poblano on the seed packet, but they are not poblano. So if you know what they are, please leave it in the comments below. They have a very thin skin and they don't have much flavor. So what I'll do, I like to leave the stems on. I'll just make a slice all the way down the middle, and then I'll put them all in. All right, now that I have my jar full, what I have here is a mixture of water, vinegar, kosher salt, and sugar. Now the ratio for it is 1 to 1 to 1 to 1. So no matter how many jars you're making, this right here is 1 cup water, 1 cup vinegar, 1 tablespoon kosher salt, and 1 tablespoon sugar. So no matter how many jars you're making, you just multiply it by that many jars. So I did leave a little bit of headspace from about here to here, and I'm going to take the back of this spoon and I'm just going to push the peppers down to see any air bubbles come out. That's why I put the slice down the side of the peppers so that the brine can get inside of them. And so as you can see, some of the vinegar mixture went inside, and so I'm just going to fill it right back to the very edge of that headspace. And I will put this in the fridge for 24 hours. I'm going to hold on to this brine because the longer the peppers sit in there, the more of the brine that they're going to soak up, and so I can use this brine to top it off. This lid is made by Ball. There might be some off-brands now, but they are specifically made for the refrigerator and the freezer, and so I like to use these because if you use the metal ones, they have a tendency to get gunk buildup and rusty along the ring.
Thank you for watching this video by Handmade. If you liked it, please be sure to click the like and subscribe button and comment down below. Thank you.